Hello again everyone, Alex here from Long Eaton Motorcycles. Just going to do a quick walk around our Triumph Tiger. As usual, I'll let the video do most of the talking for me, however I will start her up for you. Right, we'll get cracking. Right, just got her started for you. And there you have it, our Triumph Tiger.